Rabbits, those cottontail critters, are adorable creatures that have captivated humans for centuries. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these furry friends. First off, rabbits are not rodents, contrary to popular belief. They belong to the family Leporidae, which is part of the Lagomorpha order, along with hares and pikas. Rabbits are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and vegetables. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from their food more efficiently. This system includes a cecum, a section of the gut where bacteria break down plant material. One of the most notable features of rabbits is their extraordinary reproductive rate. A single dova female rabbit can give birth to a litter of up to 14 babies, called kittens, although the average is around 6 to 7. These babies are born hairless, with their eyes and ears closed, and they grow incredibly fast. Rabbits are also known for their exceptional speed. They can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour, over short distances. Their powerful hind legs propel them forward in a series of quick, powerful hops. Interestingly, rabbits use their hind legs to groom themselves and other rabbits. They will often sit upright to reach their bellies or backs, a behavior known as a bunny sit. In the wild, rabbits play a crucial role as prey animals. They are food for many predators, including foxes, coyotes, birds of prey, and snakes. However, they have evolved several defense mechanisms, such as freezing still when threatened or thumping their hind legs to startle predators. Rabbits have been domesticated for thousands of years and are often kept as pets. They are intelligent animals, capable of learning their names and even simple tricks. In the pet trade, they are often kept in hutches, but it's essential to provide them with plenty of space to hop around and exercise. Lastly, rabbits are significant in various cultures and mythologies. In ancient Egypt, rabbits were associated with fertility and the moon, while in Christianity, the Easter bunny is a symbol of new life and rebirth during Easter. In conclusion, rabbits are remarkable creatures with fascinating adaptations that allow them to survive in a variety of environments. From their remarkable reproductive rate to their unique digestive system, these furry friends are truly worth learning about.